Hi there, today we're unboxing some volume limiting headphones. So these are the BuddyPhones. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. A couple of things to mention, comes in a variety of different colours. So I have the blue and the pink here just to show. There are other colours available. They are Bluetooth headphones. It has a 14-hour battery life and 10-meter wireless range. In terms of volume settings, so you can limit it to 75 decibels, 85 decibels and 94 decibels. So very useful here. So if you have young kids and you wanted to give them headphones, these are the ultimate ones to give them. Obviously you don't want them listening at extreme volumes, which kids can tend to do. Okay, so let's take a quick look around the packaging. So it comes really nicely packaged. Details I've mentioned already on the front. Actually comes with some stickers so they can decorate it themselves. Recommended for ages 3+. It's come round here. There's some different colors you can get the headphones in. They sort of show how to adjust the volume side of things. So they're saying you've got to hold on to the plus and minus for volume adjustment to change between the different modes in volume limitation. So this is what they're saying for a toddler, 75 decibels. Kids mode 85 and 95 in travel mode. Okay, obviously depends on your requirements. Packaging is very nice, even has a foldable front, so you can just open it up and just close it. Okay, just see the actual headphones in there as well. Some additional details regarding it there. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. So you've got a card that says thanks, safe audio for kids. If I flip it over, we put kids first, kid safe, kid proof, kid friendly. Okay, next you've got a user guide, and this is multi-language and some basic details on how to use the actual headphones. Okay, next you've got some stickers, so you can customize the headphones to how you like. So put some stickers on and even write your name or any other words you want to put on there. Okay, next you've got a carry pouch, so reasonably good quality on there, all material, and you've got a pull string with a locking part here. So if I pull that across just to show, just locks it in place. So good they're given a carry pouch. I would have preferred a tougher carry case really rather than a pouch, so obviously it keeps them safer. Okay, next you've got a cable for charging the headphones, so short cable, round cable, and connectors seem of good quality. It's USB to micro USB on there, so good quality. And you've got an auxiliary cable as well. So if I open this up, I like the quality of this. Flat cable, just to show. And interestingly enough, you don't see this often, it's got the capability of audio sharing, so you can just plug in another set of headphones. So you'd plug this end into your device, the other person can plug into there, and if we come along, that plugs into your headphones, and there's a button on this side here. So good design, and cable quality seems reasonably good on there. And I love the fact that you've got the audio sharing capability on there. Okay, next, the actual headphones. So nice small compact design to it, adjustable both sides. And there you go. In terms of build quality and strength, seems reasonably strong, all plasticky. Just to note, normally the adjusters are metal, but on this one everything is of strong plastic. Got some cushioning up here and ample cushioning on here to make it feel very comfortable. If I come in closer, just to show, microphone point on there, so obviously headphone and mic on there. You've got the charge point here, and then you've got the auxiliary point here and a lights. Then you've got the on button and off button here and volume adjustment. And then if you hold on to these two at the same time, you can actually alternate between the volume limiting options. If you look on the other one, there's no buttons or any lights or anything on there. They are flexible on the sides as well. Quite a small set of headphones. Obviously they are just for kids. You wouldn't really give this to an adult. I've tried them on and quite short for myself, so not really suitable for adults. So there you go, good build quality to them and nice strong plastic all the way around. Okay, so the headphones can be folded like so and put into the carry bag it comes with. So put it in there, and ample room to put the additional cables in as well. And then you've got a string which I've already shown at the top. You just pull that and obviously close it tight like so. So good design, and it can fit quite nicely into a bag like this. Okay, so let's make a start and set up the headphones and pair it to our Android phone. So on the side, the middle button there, if I hold on to that for a moment, okay, so I just heard it say waiting for connecting. So it's waiting to be paired now. So if I put that down, go to my Android device and turn on Bluetooth. Okay, pair with BuddyPhones Play. Let's click OK to that. And there you go, it's connected. Simple as that to pair. Okay, so now the headphones are paired via Bluetooth. So if you keep your eye on here, this actually gives you an indication of the actual mode it's in for the actual volume limitation. So if you watch it, just two lights flashed, and they're two green lights. So that's in toddler mode. So that's 75 decibels. So if I press these two buttons at the same time, goes to 3 lights, and that's indicating kids mode. And then if I do it again, you see all the lights come on, and that's travel mode. And if I do it one more time, and that's the alternating. So you can sort of keep an eye what setting they're on. So in case they are fiddling around with it and they realize how to increase the volume. So good indication there that it's actually in the mode you expect it to be. If I flip it again, it's gone back to toddler mode. So very simple to change between the volume limiting options. Okay, so the next thing to mention, the buttons on the side. So if I press the middle one, if you watch my phone, it's paused the music, and if I press it again, it's playing the music. If I press volume, it says max volume. You can increase or you can decrease as well. So if you watch the phone, decreases, increases, and if you hold on to it, if you watch the track's flicked over to the next one. If I hold on to the bottom one, goes back to the previous track. So you can control it via the buttons here on the side, so which is great functionality. Okay, so next I'm going to actually test out the headphones and see what the sound quality is like. Okay, so I've had a test of listening to some music via the headphones. Sound quality is really good. I've changed some equalizer settings and alternated between different treble, mid-range and bass settings on there, and sound quality was very good. No distortion in any way. I had it on maximum volume as well in terms of the voice limiting side of things, and even on my phone had it on maximum. It didn't feel as loud as other headphones I've used, but sound quality was very good. Okay, so next we're going to test out the volume limiting on these headphones. So I've got my sound level meter here. If I go quiet for a moment, so ambient noise levels in the room are about 34 decibels. I've got the noise level meter right in the actual headphones, and the settings are on the minimum at the moment. So they're in toddler mode, so the maximum shouldn't be anything more than 75 decibels allowed. So let's unpause the music. Music's is maximum. And there you go. 40s, 50s, 60s sort of limiting, and flashing 2 lights are on. So if I go to next mode, should see 3 lights. There you go. Let's give it a moment. Slightly louder, and noise leakage, I can hear a little bit of noise coming off there. Values are higher. Let's press it again, and that's the maximum. There you go. Seems to work well. There you go. I saw it to 79. So good, you're able to actually control this and actually avoid your child or someone else's child actually playing music or any sort of noise through the headphones at a ridiculously loud volume. Okay, so next let me show the device charging. So very straightforward. I've got the charge cable here, plug it into the slot just over here, and then plug the other end into a power brick. It doesn't come with a power brick. I've got my own here, and I've got a power strip at the side. Plugged it in. And there you go. That's what you see. So lights flashing to indicate it's charging. So it looks like it's about 50% capacity at the moment. Okay, so next let's test out the auxiliary cable. So very straightforward. The one with the additional connector on there, you just plug that into your device, and the other end plugs straight into your headphones, and you just turn them off so they're not in Bluetooth mode, and you can just hit play. Okay, now once it's connected, you don't have control on the noise limiting factor from what I've seen. So it's set to a reasonable volume on there. If I press the buttons, none of them work either. Now if I press the button here, actually pauses the music and plays. So that's the only options you have available via the cable. Okay, so one of the good things about these headphones, it will actually tell you it's turned on, it's powering off, or it needs pairing, or if it's at maximum volume. So just to show you the actual voice that you're presented with, let me just take my microphone, place it over the earpiece, and if I turn the headphones on.
Turn on. Bluetooth. Waiting for connecting. Connected.
There you go. And if I go to max
volume.
And if I hold on to it now.
Turn off.
There you go. So indicators of what's going on. So good bit of functionality from these headphones. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of these volume limiting headphones. I've opened up the other pack, the pink pack, just to give you an idea what the stickers are like and the cables. So cables are actually white. I was expecting them to be pink, but no biggie really. Still looks great, and build quality is the same as the ones in the blue packet. So in terms of functionality, I think it's a great pair of headphones for kids. Sound quality is really good on there. The fact it works like standard Bluetooth headphones where you can skip track and change volume and even answer a call on there. So quite interesting how the functionality is same as other Bluetooth headphones. But obviously the bonus being the volume limiting factor on there. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing these. Details in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.